this is Dr. Konstantin, and I'd like to share with you something that I found on the internet. We're gonna talk today about Groupon. So I don't know about you guys, but every time I want to save some money, I go to Groupon. And I figured, why don't I look up Facelift on Groupon? Maybe I'll find something that will save you thousands and thousands of dollars. Let's see what I found. So I typed Facelift in Groupon and I got 600 results. Excellent. We're all going to have a lot of choices. Let's look further. So 600 results. Who could be unhappy with that? Now, there's even better news than that. I looked at the prices, and the prices for Facelift on Groupon range from $1,500 to just $36. Amazing. And of course, I should have stopped at that. If I didn't do any further research, I would be happy for days. But then I looked into it, and it all fell apart. So the biggest problem with getting a facelift on Groupon is that it's not going to be a real facelift. There's all kind of procedures that may or may not tighten your skin, but none of them really is going to be as effective as a facelift done by a plastic surgeon. Number two, it's not really doctors who do facelifts on Groupon. It's a lot of spas where estheticians do some skin tightening procedures, and there's nothing wrong with that. But unfortunately, in this situation, the name facelift really becomes misleading. To be fair, I must say there are a few doctors here on Groupon, and these doctors are board certified. We don't know what their board certification is in. Could be internal medicine, could be emergency medicine, anesthesia, but none of them, unfortunately, are plastic surgeons. So when you get your procedure booked on Groupon, even if the procedure is with a doctor, you really would not expect that doctor to be a specialist in facial rejuvenation. Just a little word of caution for all of you who are looking for their cosmetic procedures on Groupon, and there's nothing wrong with that. But some of those procedures are quite involved and quite invasive, and remember, they are done by estheticians. So real procedures can cause real complications, and if it's not done by a doctor or it's not closely supervised by a doctor, that can cause trouble. Now, here's my conclusion. Something that seems like a great idea initially turned out not to be so good with some research. So for all of you guys who are searching for their cosmetic rejuvenation procedures online, be careful. You have only one face and you have to take good care of it. Now, please like, comment, and subscribe below if you'd like to see more of these videos. This is Dr. Konstantin.